Ciao belli and welcome to 2025 first video of the year. Today we start with a review of a LED panel light. This is by Cinelight and it's called CineLED HUE 150. Let's check it out. Oh, vieni Pio, vieni qua. I introduce you the mascot of the day. Vai, di ciao a questi ragazzi.
Ciao.
Ciao, come state?
Ciao, come state?
Come ti chiami tu?
Pio.
Lui è Pio. Digli ciao ciao.
Ciao ciao. Si ripeta.
Yeah! Alright, welcome to the channel once again. If it's your first time, hit subscribe right now. I have collaborated with this brand before, so go and check my reviews out on my channel. Link of this light and the previous light in the description tab and probably in the card up here. Also, I'm using another key light from the same brand to light up this video. So something about this unit is coming out very soon on the channel and check it out. What is it? So, as the name says, CineLED HUE 150. It's a LED panel light, 150 watts, RGB, CCT, and much more. It's part of the CineLED line, which includes a 100 watts bicolor light that comes at the price of 259 euros. We also have a 150 watts bicolor light, which comes at 399 euros. Then we have a 100 watts RGB and white light at the price of 299 euros. And then, of course, the light right here, 150 watts at the price of 499 RGB and white. Vieni qua, mi aiuti? Ok, allora. So we're going to start with unboxing and my assistant here is helping me out. Pio, can you pass me the bag, please? The big bag? Oh, wow. So heavy, eh? So the light comes in this huge bag, which is nice. And we have a front pocket right there as well. And of course, the handle. Tieni. Thank you very much, assistant. Thank you. You can put it on the floor. Thank you. You will find inside the bag, of course, the actual light. And here you have diffuser removable. Also, we have a 4-leaf barn door to direct the light. This is removable as well. Bravo. We will get the power cable, of course. We will also get two of these RJ45 to XLR5P DMX cable adapters in and out. And we're going to talk about those things later. These are Ethernet cables. So can we use this panel light as a key light when we record videos? What do you think?
Maybe it should be.
Yeah, it should be, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to review it later. And for my next video, I'm going to use it as a key light on myself. Actually, you will see that video first. So drop a comment down here if you think we can use it as a key light. And what it says on paper is that it's a soft light, so it will help to smooth correctly the shadows and the highlights. C'è un nano qua. Who is this nano? Puzzetto. Shall we talk about the body and the dimensions? Okay, so the body, mainly metal, a bit of plastic. Yeah, the buttons are a bit fiddly at the back, right there.
So be careful.
I know, be careful. We have a display right here, colored display. In terms of the body as well, guys, we don't have a fan because the body is built to actually spread the heat away without any use of a fan. So not even any noise, which is great. We like that. And we've got two V-mount plates as well at the back and we're going to check them out later. Giusto? Cosa dici?
It should be.
No, parla in italiano. Parla un po' in italiano. Cosa gli dici? Cosa gli dici a sti ragazzi? Stai bene?
Sì.
Stai bene? Digli, come ti chiami tu? Come ti chiami? Mi chiamo?
Pio.
Ma devi dire tutta la parola. Io mi chiamo Pio.
Mi chiamo Pio.
Bravo. Still talking about the body, we have a mount here, which allows us to mount the light vertically, as you can see now, but also there's a hole to mount it horizontally, and via the brackets on the side, oh, hold on, we can actually achieve any possible angle. Okay, I can't even breathe. Keep your lights up, your hands up, hands up. Hands up! In terms of dimensions, what do you think? What's the dimension of this?
Maybe it should be.
So loud. Yeah, it should be. It should be exactly 57.5 centimeters, the width, and then...
Don't point.
No, don't point. 39.5 the height, and 6.5 the width of the light. Allora, talking about the modes, we have 4 different modes. The main modes are the CCT, so we can change the temperature from 2700 K to 10,000. And we have the button right there. You can increase or decrease the power, change the temperature, and also we have a green and magenta options for details. So via the wheel, we can decrease or increase the percentage by 1%. Well, if you want, you can go faster as well, but you can definitely go one by one to be more precise. If we hold the same button, we can go to source match, and you've got some presets to match, for example, candlelight or sunset or moonlight and tungsten and so on. You have different options. Then we have the HSI or gel mode. So here you've got hue, saturation, and intensity. So we dim it up, for example, we can change the hue and you've got the whole spectrum. Wow, that's quite powerful. And I think this is my new light for the background because it's really cool. And of course, you can change the saturation as well. If you press the same button again, we go to gel mode with some presets already that you can scroll through. Some of these gels are actually reproducing some of the biggest brands' gels. So if you want to match those colors, you've got them right there. Next button is FX or RGB mode. The RGB, well, this is the effects. You've got 20 different customizable effects, right? Campfire, breathe, cop car, and so on. Okay, if we hold it again, we go to RGB. It's a more detailed way to change your colors and your hues, and of course, your dimming. Right, controlling options. Of course, we have the buttons at the back of our panel light, but also we can control it remotely via the Ethernet cables, which I showed you earlier, and via a console. I'm not really technical in this sort of things. I've never done it, so maybe you want to get details elsewhere, but that's what you can do. Then you can purchase separately a radio control, a remote control, so you can control remotely the light, but also we have an app which is called Link Light for Android and also iPhones. I'm going to show you quickly how that works. Basically, you download it, you can turn on the Bluetooth and the location on your phone, and then you simply can add all the different lights you've got from this brand and you can manage them at the same time. So pretty handy if you have different lights, a bigger setup. I have already installed the two right there, and one is actually my key light and the panel light. And through here, you got the different options, color. You simply scroll through and change your lights, pretty cool, and your saturation and so on. You can change the mode, so you go through the gel, the effects, blah, blah, blah. And also you can access certain features which are accessible only through the app. For example, tune your light on the rhythm of a song or music. Powering options, we've seen we have a cable, power cable right here, but also we can power up the light via two V-mount batteries, which you can put at the side right there. And I'll show you. What you simply have to do is to switch the switch from adapter. We're gonna actually remove it and go to battery. And here you are. I recommend to go and check the CineLight website. Apart from checking this unit, check all the other lights, but you can get accessories and soft boxes also for this panel light. So again, link in the description. I hope the video helped out. Hit subscribe, the like button. Do you want to say bye-bye?
Yeah.
Come.
Bye.
You say bye-bye to everyone?
Yeah.
There. You're a T-Rex.
Mama T-Rex.
Yeah, he's a Mama T-Rex. Come. Okay.
Hi, I am Mama T-Rex. Bye.
Subscribe.
Subscribe
To the channel. See you later.
See you later.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Yay. Finito. Did you just fart?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.